Some months ago I illustrated a children's book which is about a butterfly that wants to find a flower friend. And now it's spring and there are flowers everywhere, so I figured that now was the right time to showcase to you guys the book. Till now it's still unpublished, but I've printed it out on some paper so that I can showcase it to various publishers. And then it's also great because then I can give you guys a flip through. So let's dive into this book, and it's in Danish, so I'll try my best and give you guys the English translation. The Butterfly. It's spring. The butterfly comes out of its pupa. Now he wants to find a friend, a good friend, a flower friend. Here is crocus and snowdrop. No, not those. Those are too small. The butterfly flies straight past anemone, bile and tulip. No, no, no. The linden tree blooms. No, those are too many. Oh, sweet Daisy Margaret, won't you help me find a flower friend? None. The butterfly comes to the apple tree flowers, but they fly away in the wind. That one is pretty. Hello, pea flower. Would you like to be... Wait a minute. What's that? It's withered. Yuck. I don't like that. Now it's summer and the sun is warming, but the butterfly has not yet found the friend he wants to have. Finally, the butterfly arrives to the mint. Ah, you smell so lovely. I want you to be my Oh, it gets windy now. Where will I go now? I don't want to be here. I just want to get out. Ouch. 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 The end. I hope you enjoyed this little flip-through here. It certainly was a joy for me to illustrate this book. The book is written by a librarian that I know who's called Hanne, and she based the book sort of loosely on the fairy tale by HC Andersens, also called The Butterfly. In his version of this story, it ends way more dark, you could say. The butterfly gets pinned by a collector. So this is more suitable for kids in a way. The book has not yet been published, but who knows, one day it will get its wings and fly out in the world. But I want to say that Hanne also uses this book as an interactive sort of course with or offer for daycare kids, where they get the story told aloud, and afterwards the session they are able to dress out as butterflies and fly around in the room, and also in the end draw on some butterflies. And I have been so lucky to witness this course, which was amazing. So I'm also just happy that this book is being used in this way. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Enjoy the spring, and until next time, have fun drawing.